Hi everyone, Engineer Path 5290 coming to you with some updates. It's a long list of updates from Norfolk Southern. One of the last ACUs has been released from Juniata. SD70 ACU 7330 XCEFX 105 has been completed and released from Juniata. 8 of 10 90 Max that are acquired by NS in 2016 from Citigroup have been rebuilt as an ACU. The last two undergoing rebuilding and they are nearing completion. Some shots of 4274 that was recently completed. 4227 X-9W 8971 has been repainted at Juniata following a rebuilding at Roanoke Shops. GP 38-2 5077 X Southern 5077 has had its cab replaced at Juniata with a whole complete Altoona package. Couple more SD70s are at Mayfield getting stripped down that they've just arrived. 2518 and 2539. More Dash 9Ws have been retired. 8899, 8911, 8913, 8974, 8979, 8985, 8994, 9067, 9102, and 9106. All of those have been retired for rebuilding. 2512 has also arrived at Muncie, as well as the other two SD70s mentioned at Mayfield, and that's where it will be stripped down for rebuilding. SD45-2 1702 X Conrail 6699 X Erie-Lock 13674, currently at Juniata for a PTC upgrade. It will also have Ultra Cab 2 sit wing installed and have the horn relocated to the top of the engine compartment. Another ACC is released. SD70 ACC 1815 XNS 2541 has been completed and released from Juniata. It was painted in the standard NS horsehead black and white with the DC to AC lettering underneath the number. 22A, which is a Norfolk to Louisville train, had this following lash up here. Admiral cab replacements at Roanoke now. SD40-2 3532 XBN and X I believe it's Colorado Southern 7920 has original cab removed and a new Admiral cab replaced at Roanoke Shops now, and it's got the complete package. PTC, freeze beater, and electric handbrake were installed in the long hood, and this will be repainted at Juniata. I'm glad to see Roanoke is still doing some rebuilds. I know they're doing the C6M rebuilds. I'm glad they're still seeing them do some EMD rebuilds. So that has been replaced. And that's really it as far as updates go from Norfolk Southern. It was a long list, but a lot of rebuilds are coming back and being released, and some are getting ready to be retired and future rebuilds, especially the HD70 series. There's 3 of those out there that are getting ready to be stripped down. There's many Dash 9s are being retired and being rebuilt, so a lot of new rebuilds are continuing to come out in Norfolk Southern, so be on the lookout with those. So just watch the rails and just see these new rebuilds. They're going to be shiny when they come out. My edition for tonight is going to be premiering at 6 o'clock tonight. It's a lot of good action transition from the last little bit of March to early April, and then of course I will conclude April with the rest of the edition. Then we'll be starting again from on the May edition. We'll start at May 1st, and we will go the entire month. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I thank you guys for watching.